Welcome to Siri Kitchen Moments. Wishing the best to all my lovely Siri Kitchen Moments subscribers. If any of you are watching the videos for the first time, please do subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments channel and click the bell icon to receive the latest video notifications. Let's check out on how to prepare the mutton curry that goes well with the combination of steamed white rice. First, heat a pressure cooker on medium flame. Once the pressure cooker comes to a desired heat level, add 2 tablespoons cold pressed coconut oil. Add 5 green chilies that's slit lengthwise and 2 medium onions thinly chopped. Saute until the onions turn translucent and golden. When the onions turn translucent, add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and stir. Reduce the flame to low and let the ginger garlic lose the rawness and releases a nice aroma. In the meanwhile, let's thoroughly rinse and chop handful of coriander leaves and mint leaves. Also thinly slice 1 medium tomato. Keep these veggies aside. Once the ginger garlic releases a nice aroma, we can now add the sliced and chopped tomato, coriander and mint leaves. Give a good mix. Add salt to taste, 1.5 teaspoons turmeric powder, red chili powder as per your spice level, and stir well. When the oil starts floating on top, it's time to add thoroughly washed and cleaned mutton pieces with bones. Give a good toss and let cook on medium flame for 5 minutes. Now add freshly roasted and ground garam masala and let the spices combine well with the mutton pieces. Pour 2 cups of water and give a mix. Cover with the pressure cooker lid and increase the flame to high. When the steam starts, insert the weight to the pressure cooker and let blow 5 whistles on high heat. After 5 whistles, turn off the stove and let the pressure cooker release all the steam. Once the steam releases, remove the weight from the pressure cooker and open the lid. Now again, turn on the flame to medium heat and let the mutton gravy come to a desired consistency while stirring occasionally. When the mutton curry comes to the desired gravy consistency, that's when we garnish with the chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Now turn off the stove and our awesome mutton curry is ready to be served. Serve this authentic and spicy mutton curry with a piping hot steamed white rice and squeeze lemon juice to enhance this flavor. Don't forget to like this recipe video, share this mutton curry recipe with your loved ones and subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments channel for more delicious and healthy meal ideas. Also click the bell icon to receive the latest video notifications from Siri Kitchen Moments. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and that it inspires you to try out new combinations in your kitchen. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. With love from Siri Kitchen Moments.